Understanding voice objections, mastering English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, voice objections. This expression is widely used in both professional and casual settings. Understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English conversations. Let's unravel the meaning and usage of voice objections together. Voice objections is a phrase composed of two words, voice and objections. Individually, voice can mean to express or articulate, while objections are concerns or disagreements. Combined, the phrase voice objections means to express your concerns or disagreements about something openly and clearly. It's about speaking up when you feel something is not right or when you disagree with a decision, statement, or action. 2.1. In professional settings. In professional environments, voicing objections is often related to discussing projects, policies, or decisions. It's important to do this respectfully and constructively. For instance, during a meeting, I would like to voice my objections to this approach. I believe there are more cost-effective options available. When reviewing a policy, I need to voice my objections to this policy change as it may affect our team's workflow negatively. 2.2. In casual settings. In everyday conversations, voicing objections can be about any disagreement. It's usually less formal but still important to be respectful. Examples include, in a group discussion, I have to voice my objections here. I don't think that's the right way to handle the situation. While planning an event, I want to voice my objections to the date chosen for the event. Many of us will be out of town that weekend. Voicing objections is crucial for a few reasons. 1. Promotes transparency. It encourages open communication and helps prevent misunderstandings. 2. Encourages better solutions. By voicing objections, you contribute different perspectives that can lead to better decision-making. 3. Fosters respect. It shows that all opinions are valued and considered, promoting a respectful and inclusive environment. Understanding and using the phrase, voice objections, empowers you to communicate your concerns effectively. Whether in professional settings or casual conversations, expressing your disagreements respectfully is key to maintaining healthy and productive interactions. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in voicing your objections. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.